me kumunantwie makoma ko 32 no ema NDC for no me evidence
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so TikTok o comment section o ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de nito Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Where's be a pia woman? Nienti a meka where's be to say me kumunantwie makoma ko 32 no ema NDC for me evidence no won be say simple e me say simachi say me evidence afetie ni ye meka say me body na mosquito di mo je say ni katia di mo no kre me kodifie no kre me special aid me kodifie na ohono me nka ho asem ye mfa to waza afetie ni ye ne ma meka say me kumunantwie makoma ko 32 no me ye sunsun sore sofo nto hwe matade na ohu say me ye sunsun sore sofo me nya charismatic me nye orthodox me ye sunsun sore sofo na enu achi no me bo say me abo NDC din obi wa achi pinje ni koso no obi kan say somebody or MPP for ni bi that was the word that me tell ya me bu fu ya no so me say me ye MPP ni me ye NDC ni enti me kire bu say me ye NDC ni na me bo NDC kura ma NDC be ni akunwa me kumunantwe mako 32 region ni nyina me bo all ties e wo region bia every from Asante region to Northern region to Brahafu to Hefa region bia ni wa men tuka anko ho me bo all ties wo be bia me na me ma NDC ni akunwa wo sa abrant na all the max a hye nanimu na ote wo no or that screen so sa abrant all the max a hye nanimu na that screen so baby obi ori oni mo an call report no homa police because police be hwehwe no okwan bia so police be hwehwe no okwan bia so police be hwehwe no because oba no nya ohwe ana akoto wonsa kobo no ko ponchi dani na maybe say some Mr. President ekire mo ana say mo ko na mo ko demolish obi asori dan a ana mo ko demolish obi fi a mo ko bo na busuafo nka ho ana say Mr. President ekire mo me say papa no onye sa e say papa no me hu so ye muye so obi pese o chia no krampo na security sim pese o be chia na omo papa no ka say mo nya na nipa na me chia me na me di na me kan say ne physical no ye be ne physical ne spiritual so ye be ne spiritual no obi a hu ni smoothest level na me yesunsun so fo ye dangerous na najo di pa bi de na nye dede enti me ka kire Ghana fo nyina say me nya boni bi aye ana wo man ka kire mo se mumu aso dan no so wo ma me notice bi asa wo ba begu aso dan bi aso agu fom wo mo be yi wo mo gatamu no wo yi wo mo gatamu nyina awie ekọ wo yi awie no wo agya machine si wo so maso dan no last wo mo bu wi aso dan wi na wo koye enso adwuma wo ho no o mu wie adenti na mo bu aso dan wi a mo twan ma ne bo around 9 o'clock ansa na mo firi wo ko like I say enye the right way no na ne amete ne say also order from above ya nyina ye Ghana for na otumfo say tutu wadawo ma ye bodi na ya man yimu so mehine nana e kan se bi kire aka se bi o media no so say emre ye ninka so nana otumfo say tutu wadawo ma me bodi ka se mo o se emre ye ninka so emre ye ninka so emre ye ninka so na ne obo pono me a me bo pono ahu me na minimum kwa me fast befa asane pono me na mkacho obi pa onka se wa bene wo de ya wo se wa bene wo na wo kura den you see obi hu se adefuchini no ebi etitibi achi na 4 years no ebeso ye wo Ghana yebesi yebehu yebesi na minim se sabeta fa che anka okobu obi dan a o pronto man notice na ko yi ne manyina fi ho ahwe da do baba beku dan no na so ensisa ye be manyame nyame shira mu nyina share ne Mr. President asonte me ye fu NDC me ye NDC ni ma papa General Mosquito ni me pa ni special aid oni me pa ni po bebre ni me pa but me nka ho asem bi nyame kan say me damase nyame shira mu
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo bedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchira ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospital and the go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who say na no me na be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi who say, "Oh, I mean say we say people for happen for." Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya happen for. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya happen for. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yen kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open kitinkiti. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo si akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Ibrahim Dramani Mahama so o mema us come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani Mahama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Say die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.